Okay, so here's just a quick little tip on how you can organize your product research because things can get really messy. And I found one way, I'm very visual, and so I found a way to just quickly organize and do things really easily. So if you go ahead and get Pinterest, I like to use it for product research, but I also use it for organization. And if you use it correctly, it can be really powerful. It's kind of just like making that big pinboard of all of your ideas. So yeah, just get it, and then basically you can choose your different boards and save products to that. So let's say I was going to do Traveler here. So by doing that, you could do that, but you could get it a little bit more advanced if you want, and you could choose what you're going to put here, and then you could say sales per month, and you could put in some data from Viral Launcher, Helium 10, whatever you're using for a sales estimator, just so that you could have some organized data and whatnot. I know a lot of people like to do spreadsheets and whatnot, but I'm visual, and so like let's say now, cool, bring me to this board, okay, and I could see all of the products that are. And then here's the other thing, okay? You're going to see more algorithmically similar things to it, which watch the Pinterest product research if you haven't. But yeah, so then you could just go and see, like this is one of my accounts. Yeah, so it's like, cool. Well, if you're looking and digging into a certain niche here, you're going to see, you could do this. You could add sections. Yeah, so just learn how to play with Pinterest a little bit. Yeah, I think it's a good way to organize your thoughts. So I hope that this is helpful. Let me know if you guys have any better ways to organize product research than this. But I hope this is helpful, and on to the next video.